This is a Tigrida puzzle. It was designed by Alexander Majeric from Slovakia and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic. The Tigrida puzzle has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10. And the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 parts inside the frame in such a way that there will be no openings left and all parts will be within the frame. If you like the Tigrida puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from Puzzle Master. The Tigrida puzzle has one of the most unusual frames I've seen. As you can see, it has a lot of holes. There are a couple of entry points where you can put parts like this one, and this one. There are actually 3 of them. And since the puzzle has this frame with lots of holes, it will be quite a challenge to put all parts inside in such a way that all openings will be covered. As you can see, there are also 4 parts here. The shape of each piece is quite complicated except of this one. This is quite a regular shape, but these 3, they look absolutely different to what we expect to see in such puzzles, and it will be quite a challenge to find the correct solution. If you like the Tigrida puzzle and you want to try to solve it by yourself, you can buy it at puzzlemaster.ca.